Hey, yo, what it do, family? How y'all doing today? This is AYOJ. Watch this. Today we're here with Blindside. What if you drink snake venom? I mean, at the end of the day, if didn't even know I had this up, but at the end of the day, I just feel like if you're drinking snake venom and shit like that, like I don't know if it's like something that can probably heal you type shit. Well, I would feel like drinking snake venom would probably kill you. I don't think you want to do that shit, low key. I don't think it would be very wise of you to drink snake venom. But let's see what happens. Maybe it helps you. Maybe,
Let's find out
maybe
something
not.
awesome about poison.
Find out.
No, this is not another video with the top 10 of the most venomous animals. There will be several of them here, but the point is different. We're going to find out about the nature of these substances, which are dangerous for any living creature. There are two glasses in front of you. The first one is full of sour milk, and the other has the venom of one of the most dangerous snakes in the world, Vipera aspis. What do you think? The liquid from which glass can cause negative consequences for your health? The correct answer is sour milk. It can cause bloating, indigestion, and heartburn. But if you
I was about to say like either way you go, you're still getting fucked up. Like nigga, I'm not about to sit there and drink those goddamn
drink
sour
a snake's
milk.
venom, nothing will happen. The fact is that this substance is a particular type of protein, and gastric juice splits this protein like any other food. The toxin contained in the poison is dangerous only in contact with blood. Therefore,
Oh
if you have
shit, I
a
ain't know
wound in
that.
your mouth or stomach, then you'll have problems. But as long as the toxin stays away from the blood circulatory system, you needn't worry.
Oh shit,
However,
I
it
ain't know
doesn't
that.
always work like that. Some animals secrete a poison that penetrates your body at the slightest physical contact, but venomous beasts have to deliver this dangerous substance inside your blood. And by the way, this is the difference between poisonous and venomous. In the first case, these are animals that can poison you passively. For example, if you touch them. They don't make any effort, and the poison is released from their bodies constantly. The poison dart frog just hangs out in the jungles of South America and doesn't attack anyone.
That nigga look
But
venomous.
everyone is afraid to touch
Like
it
he got something
because
in mind,
its
but he
skin
look
secretes
poisonous.
one of the most dangerous poisons on Earth. The toxin particles contained in the poison of these animals are so tiny that they easily get through the pores of your skin and cause an intense reaction in your body. But venomous animals have bigger toxin particles that can get inside your body only through injection. Venomous animals bite and sting to deliver the venom to blood. Venomous snakes, wasps, spiders, and other creatures use venom to attack prey. Poisonous frogs or fish covered with poisonous skin use toxins to defend themselves. That's the difference.
Oh,
One of the
shit.
most venomous creatures in the world is the box jellyfish.
If y'all didn't know, we learned something new today. This is AOJ class time.
When it stings, it injects a powerful toxin into its enemy, affecting the nervous system and skin cells. They are dangerous not only for sea creatures, but also for people. The toxin acts quickly and can lead to serious health problems within minutes. One of the most poisonous creatures in the world besides the poison dart frog is the puffer fish. Yeah, that famous Japanese delicacy. Many have probably heard that if the cook prepares this fish incorrectly, it can be poisonous even after heat
Yeah, I heard about that
This
shit.
fish's toxin is 1,000 times more potent than cyanide. The amount of poison
Damn.
inside one puffer fish contains enough toxin to seriously harm several dozen people. When the fish feels danger, it swallows a lot of air along with water and increases in size. In this state, its needles, which contain the toxin, become even more dangerous. So never touch this
Ugly
fish if you
ass
see it
fish.
in the sea. There's the third type of use of venom. It's called intraspecific competition. You can find it in venomous mammals such as the Australian platypus. There are tiny needles on their palms that secrete toxins. A platypus can paralyze an opponent with a kick. But these
Damn.
animals also use poison during mating competitions. Their bodies enhance the properties of the toxins to defeat competitors during the fight for a female. Two males struggle to weaken each other. The male whose poison is more effective wins the battle. Some animals
So basically, these niggas are fighting to the death for a woman. Two males are fighting to the death for a woman. Now let me stop.
have to bite and sting to use venom, while others just
Not
wait
all
for
women
someone
is
else's
bad out
touch.
here, man.
But what about this little creature that releases
I
its
ain't
poison
fighting
like
to the
a
death
dart?
no goddamn woman.
Meet the cone snail. It hides inside its home and waits for a little fish to swim closer. Then it releases a toxic harpoon from its proboscis and paralyzes the fish. Then the snail swallows the prey whole, like an anaconda. The venom of this small animal is also dangerous for humans as it causes severe problems with breathing, vision, and other issues. At the same time, the substance contained in the poison of the cone snail is used by doctors to make a powerful analgesic. And this is not the only case when animal venom is used in medicine. A poisonous lizard called the Gila monster releases a neurotoxin produced in the salivary gland during a bite. Because of this venom, the bite of this animal is considered one of the most painful in the world. People who were attacked by the Gila monster said that they had experienced a feeling as if hot lava was flowing through their veins. However, such a terrible poison can be useful for humans. Scientists have discovered a hormone in it that can effectively treat diabetes. Some poisons cause muscle paralysis, others can create breathing problems, and others raise blood pressure. But why are they all different? Well, all these differences depend on the prey that venomous animals hunt. For example, most vipers prey on small mammals with a fast metabolism. Therefore, reptiles have developed venom that disrupts blood clotting, resulting in a fast-running hare quickly losing control of its body. However, for cold-blooded animals, such a stratagem would be less effective. That's why some types of cobras produce neurotoxic venom that can stop the transmission inside the nervous system. Such a substance effectively strikes the organisms of cold-blooded creatures. All this suggests that venomous and poisonous creatures adapt their toxins depending on their habitat. That's why venoms of the same species can differ so much. If a viper bit you in one region of a large country, an antidote from another region might not help you. In places with more complex conditions for survival, snakes can...
So you fuck anyway. You get bit here, you get bit somewhere in Australia or some shit like that, and that location may not got it, nigga, you're fried.
Develop more dangerous venom to repel enemy attacks or catch fast prey.
That shit off.
But this principle also works the other way around.
Shit.
Put a group of snakes in an environment where they can easily catch food and don't have to defend themselves from other animals. This type of snake may eventually become non-venomous. This is because producing venom is a complicated process that requires a lot of energy and resources from the organism. And if the conditions don't require using this substance, then snakes will stop producing it. This happened with sea snakes. They are some of the most venomous animals on Earth that hunt fish at the bottom of the sea. Since their prey was much faster than them, they had to develop a strong venom that would quickly paralyze fish. But one of sea snake species stopped getting food this way. Instead of hunting fish, they began to eat fish eggs. This prey doesn't run away, so snakes don't need venom anymore. Eventually, they stopped producing it. How many animals on the planet do you think are poisonous and venomous? According to scientists' calculations, about 15 to 20%. But most likely, this number is much higher because people haven't fully studied all the biodiversity of such creatures. Interestingly, almost every species of animal has a poisonous or venomous kind. Even among mammals, the platypus is not the only venomous creature. The slow loris seems like a cute, harmless animal. Still, this primate from Southeast Asia secretes venom from its teeth during a bite. Also, some species of shrews produce venom in the same way to paralyze their prey, and vampire bats are the only poisonous flying mammals in the whole world. Okay, we have a large number of poisonous and venomous animals today, but what about the past? Many scientists believe that millions of years ago, venomous dinosaurs walked the Earth. Some studies have confirmed this hypothesis. The venomous glands and tissues of these formidable reptiles haven't survived to our times. But in the teeth of some dinosaurs, scientists found small gaps that modern venomous snakes and lizards have. It's possible that prehistoric monsters also used these holes to secrete venom through them.
That's it for today. So hey, if you pass a...
Wow. And that was some good shit though. You know, we gotta learn some shit in AOJ's class time. So in this class time, we gotta learn some stuff, you know. But this was good. I didn't know about some of this shit. I didn't know some of these animals had venom in them and shit like that, or some type of poison like that. It is good to know what kind of animals are, you know, that does have venom or does have poison, because you ever go camping, you ever go here or there, go somewhere, another country or type stuff, and they may got poisonous animals there. And if they bite you, you want to know about that, or you want to at least know about, hey, let me stay away from that motherfucker, because he bite me, I'm dead. So this was a good thing to know about. So I'm glad we was able to you know, learn something today in our class. But if it is some other like venomous animals or like poisonous animals that y'all know about, hey man, please put it in the comments, man. Like let me know about it, cause some of these animals I didn't even know they was poisonous. And if you didn't know if some of these animals was poisonous or had some venom, let me know in the comments. But you know how we always do, like, comment, subscribe, and share this boy. And like always, we end it off with a peace.